I am Professor Pyramid, your guide to learning rithmomachia. Welcome. In this tutorial we learn how the pieces capture. There are 6 methods in which you can capture an opposing piece. Each method usually involves piece values in some way. Each method is explained using the highlighted examples in the study below. 1. Capture by number. A friendly piece of value v can capture by number an opposing piece only if a. The friendly piece is exactly one move away from the opposing piece, and b. The opposing piece also has value v. A number capture example. White triangle T9 can take black circle C9 by number. If it's white's turn. What if it's black's turn? Are there any number captures then? In this case, if it's black's turn then C9 cannot take T9 by number, since the circle is 2 moves away. 2. Capture by sum. 2 friendly pieces of values v1 and v2 can capture by sum an opposing piece only if a. Each friendly piece is exactly one move away from the opposing piece, with no pieces in between, and b. The opposing piece has value v1 plus v2. A sum capture example. The black circles C7 and C9 can capture the white circle C16 if it's black's turn, but no such capture exists when it's white's turn. 3. Capture by difference. 2 friendly pieces of values v1 and v2 can capture by difference an opposing piece only if a. Each friendly piece is one move away from the opposing piece, and b. The opposing piece has value v2 minus version 1. A difference capture example. C9 with C7 can together capture the white circle C2 if it's black's turn, but not if it's white's turn. This capture is not symmetric, like some other capture methods. Indeed, if it's white's turn, C2 and C16 cannot capture by sum or by difference, since the sum, which is 18, and difference, which is 14, don't match any piece values. 4. Capture by multiple. A friendly piece of value v can capture by multiple an opposing piece only if a. The friendly piece is exactly d unoccupied squares away from the opposing piece, d greater than 0 an integer, and b. The opposing piece has value d times v and is on the same rank or the same file as the friendly piece. A multiple capture example. The white circle C8 can capture by multiple the black triangle T16. D equals 2. If it's white's turn. What if it's black's turn? In that case, there's another capture method which does allow black a capture. We'll get to it, be patient. Another multiple capture example. The black circle C9 can take the white triangle T9. D equals 1. If it's black's turn. We'll put that back, as we'll need it for later. Likewise, T9 can capture by multiple C9. D equals 1. If it's white's turn, as we saw above, it can capture by number as well. The study position has several other possible captures by multiple. Can you find them? Pause the video if needed. All possible captures by multiple in this study position are highlighted. Did you find them? 5. Capture by divisor. A friendly piece of value v can capture by divisor an opposing piece only if the friendly piece is exactly d unoccupied squares away from the opposing piece, and b. The opposing piece has value v divided by d and is on the same rank or the same file as the friendly piece. A divisor capture example. The black triangle T16 can capture by divisor the white circle C8. D equals 2. If it's black's turn. We'll put this back for later. The study position has several other possible captures by divisor. Can you find them? Pause the video if you need to. The other possible captures by divisor in this study position are highlighted. Did you find them? A divisor capture example. One divisor capture is the black triangle T12 takes the white circle C4. D equals 3. But now T12 attacks the white triangle T72. D equals 6. Did you see that second capture? Capturing two pieces in this way is called a chain capture. 6. Capture by siege. Four friendly pieces of any value can capture by siege an opposing piece only if they surround the opposing piece on each side, preventing its movement. This capture doesn't involve piece values. The siege configuration is like a stalemate in chess. Examples stick out like a sore thumb, don't they? We'll put this back for later. If the opposing piece was at the side of the board, only 3 friendly pieces are needed to capture by siege. Usually, you need 4. Note: in rithmomachia, you can capture more than one opposing piece on the same turn, like in checkers. Also note, in rithmomachia the capturing pieces need not move. That's it. We covered all the methods to capture a piece, except for the pyramid piece, which will be covered in another lesson. Good luck! Thank you for watching this video about capturing methods, except for the pyramid piece. This is Professor Pyramid signing off. I hope to see you in another rithmomachia lesson soon.